Hello, this is One Quad Love. Please follow my journey as an incomplete quadriplegic from a traumatic fall in 2013. My hopes are that people with all sorts of disabilities will find some strength, encouragement, and endurance to keep pushing forward. Watch my physical therapy struggles to reach greater mobility goals and successes, and watch some family-friendly videos with my sister caregiver jaw-jacking for laughter. Let's all keep on enduring with patience, prayer, faith, and love.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무 걱정돼. 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So
Somebody just play with them.
Do you mind grabbing the chair?
Yeah,
Do you mind grabbing the chair?
yeah.
Look, see that cushion? Look, Christine. Look at the cushion when I get out of it. I have one in my head. I can design your quad. You can. I want to. Yeah.
How would you do it? I won't steal your idea.
I want a cushion that
Never trust your therapist.
Leo! You had me on tape. I said I would not steal your idea.
No, I miss Deborah though. I miss you and Deborah's conversation.
Oh.
All you guys gonna hear is never trust your therapist.
My goodness.
That was funny. I wish I did have that on tape. That would have been a heck of funny. I think the cushions should be made out of popcorn, and then if it, then if it's
I
old,
know. The kernels and lettuce sit on the kernels.
Well-
Kernels, you trying to kill me?
well, no, I mean popcorn that's popped. That way, if it crunched down too much, say it's too much crunch, you know that the pillow is wrong.
It's your right side?
Yes.
Oh, did you get your x-ray? Or not yet?
Oh, that's a funny conversation.
Another conversation.
Cutting off. Oh, that's an interesting conversation. Deborah goes, I need an X-ray. Let me
Because
know.
they won't give you an MRI without the x-ray first, correct? Right.
Yeah.
I remember.
But they're giving me the MRI first and then the X-ray second. I don't get it.
Wait, you're getting the MRI on the 27th?
On the 7th of next month.
Oh.
Both of them same day.
Oh, we will?
Mm-hmm.
They're doing.
Do you want your shoes off, Deborah?
Oh yeah.
They're heavy.
Yeah.
I don't want you to kick your therapist. That's
I
not
need a
nice.
toilet for you guys.
I taught you to reflect on people, but not your
Then
therapist.
it made me.
The whole world is backwards.
I guess maybe because they had you there, maybe they would just do both
Yeah,
instead of making you do a couple more transfers.
yeah.
Okay, let's check it.
Deborah, tell her you actually thought you were gonna call on Monday and get an appointment on Tuesday. Tell Christina that story.
Oh, because they say.
Because you
they
think
say,
you're related
well,
to
you don't
it.
need an appointment, you just walk in and come in. So I'm thinking if that's the case, then they can just schedule me to come on in, then we.
Well, I think you think you're related to Obama.
The pain hits and I try to raise my arm. This arm is floppy. It's like, the nerves are like this, like I get close in my face.
Yeah.
I'm getting close in the skin, down here. Like nerves.
When you stretch it out or just when you're trying to move it?
I'm trying to move it. Especially when that shoulder is hurting really bad.
Yeah.
And I try to move it, then this hand just starts, you know how to speak clear,
You go like this,
like when I'm coolest in it.
like a chicken flapping his
Only on the
wings.
hand part.
Deborah's like a chicken flapping his wings 1,000 times a minute or a hummingbird beak. Did I describe it?
What did you say?
Your hand, the clothes in your hand is like a chicken flapping his beak or a hummingbird flapping his wings. Except, right?
Yeah.
I be watching, I just trot out to make you excited. Don't worry, I got more peanut butter oil to inject when we get home. I see you looking at me. Something sounds like a washing machine. Oh, it's a treadmill. Deborah so wants hand equipment. That's it. She can move.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Can she roll into any of those machines for the hand? No.
Nothing here. And we have the bike for your foot. I don't think we have the hand attachment for your hand. Although we are getting more equipment.
Oh, that's exciting. Yeah, she wants equipment so bad. I can put this white one in the car. Inside of the equipment. The equalizer. Planet Fitness is supposed to make equipment for people with wheelchairs now. They're supposed to. We need to go in and see. And my son has a membership, but he doesn't think about us when he leaves.
Oh, when he goes in, check it out for you?
No. We keep saying, check it out, see if they have.
You can take pictures and send it.
He's at one purpose. Get on that stuff and get home. Tell me how many calories he burned so that he can eat double when he get home. Ain't that true, Deborah? Oh, you're hurting. Oh, let me come over and help Christine. I don't know what you guys would do without me in therapy. Probably be just as bored, nothing to talk about. I'm here purely for your entertainment. Maybe I should recite some poetry. Well, that is urgent. Look at me, my car got damaged, and then I can't even get it in the shop till March or April. Okay, let me.
We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next date. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, baby. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all.
Mix one quad love, a spiral chicken salad. She looked at it and said, does it have cheese?
I have a dream that it has cheese in it. I have a dream.
So now I need to go get some cheese. Okay, second try. One quad. Here's your spiral chef salad. Similar to Meech and Monica. A little lower in quality, but now it's topped with cheese. Bon appetit. Is it pleasing to you? One quad.
Yes, very.
Very pleasing. Say waka waka woo. Woo.
I just can't seem to stop thinking about you. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. Stopped at nothing, baby. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive.